A business is deploying logic within a model-driven application where users upload records from Microsoft Excel to generate lead entries. The organization establishes the following needs. A current telephone number field needs formatting to restrict input solely to digits and periods, and 3 current fields need to be used in a calculation to show a total derived from a percentage. The design should avoid custom code whenever feasible. Determine the appropriate approach for each requirement by matching the solutions.
The available options are Option A, Business Rule, Option B, Formula Column, Option C, Plugin. The requirements to match are phone number formatting and percentage calculation. Let's think about how data validation and calculations work in model-driven applications. We often need to enforce specific input formats on existing text attributes, or dynamically compute values using other fields in the same record. Depending on the complexity, some operations require declarative configurations, while others require programmatic extensions. I believe the correct matches are, for phone number formatting, C, Plugin, and for percentage calculation, B, Formula Column. For phone number formatting, modifying an existing column to enforce specific character restrictions, such as only allowing numbers and periods via string manipulation, cannot be achieved using declarative tools like business rules or formula columns. Formula columns actually create new columns rather than modifying existing text fields. Therefore, a plugin is required for this custom formatting logic. For the percentage calculation, formula columns, which are PowerFX columns, can easily calculate values dynamically based on existing columns within the table without requiring custom code. This directly aligns with the core requirement to avoid custom development wherever possible.